Hello students, today we will discuss how to control recalculation and how to protect your worksheet. Firstly, let us see how to control the recalculation of your worksheet. Although extremely important, locating information in a worksheet is only part of keeping on top of the information in a worksheet. In reality, large workbooks that contain many completed worksheets, you may want to switch to manual recalculation so that you can control when the formulas in the worksheet are calculated. You need this kind of control when you find that Excel's recalculation of formulas each time you enter or change information in cells has considerably slowed the program response. So, what we have to do, we just have to holding off the recalculations which is automatically doing by your worksheet. We have to stop that because we want to fasten the speed of our worksheet. Now what you have to do, to put the worksheet into manual recalculation mode, you select the manual option on the calculation options button on the formula tab. Here is the formula tab. You have the calculation here and you have the calculation options. You just click it. It is selected automatic. We have to do it manual. When you are doing it manual and you are going to put any of the two columns to add and you press enter, that is going to give you the sum of the two different columns. It is manual. Again, if you are going to put the sum of two numbers plus February, you have to press calculate now or F9 for the manual calculation. Now it is giving you the sum of two columns. So it is a way how to manually select your calculation instead of automatic calculations by your worksheet. Now let us see how to protect your worksheet. After you more or less finalize a worksheet by checking out its formulas, you want to guard against any unplanned changes by protecting the document. What you have to do is you have to click the protect sheet command in the changes group. You have the review tab. In the review tab you have the changes group and you have the protect sheet. When you click this, you have lots of options that you want to delete columns, delete rows, select locked cells, select unlocked cell. It is also asking you for the password. Let's type any password here and you press OK. You re-enter password, press OK. Then your sheet is locked. You can't edit your sheet. If you want to, if you try to edit it, then it will give you the alert. The cell or chart you're trying to change is the protected one. To make a change, you unprotect the sheet. Now, if you want to change your locked sheet and you want to unlock this, then you go to unprotect sheet. It will again ask you the password for it. We are typing it here and press OK. Then your sheet can be edited. Look, you can enter your sheet now. Enter the values. You can change the values of your sheet. It is a way how to protect your sheet. You can also protect a single column, a single row. So it is a very important feature to save your worksheet work and to enter the password that is only known by you. It is the protected one. Thank you.